the time I had paid $130 without seeing anything. It was this monster TV and I don't know what to call it, but one of those standing lights that you put in the corner, and some other coffee machines and blenders are all defective. So it was even at $130, it was worth it. Let's get that screw out. I think I got all the screws. Something's being held. Let's see. There's a screw somewhere. Yeah, we missed this side. There you go. So let's see what this massive TV looks like internally. I'm sure there's not going to be a lot going on. Difficult to handle. There you go. Got it finally. There you go. So let's see what we have. All the goodies, all the parts that are working. This garbage right here. So let's zoom in here a little bit. Sorry about that. So let's see what we have here. Alright, sorry about that. Hopefully I didn't mess anyone up there trying to remove the camera. So we have the power supply here. Obviously we know it works. Like I said, I turned it on when I first got it, just to be able to kind of test and see what's going on. So without, from what I remember, power supply was anywhere between 50 to 75. And we got the main board, which is the next part that actually has some value. I see here it has